Hundreds of Memphians met tonight, all concerned about Elon Musk's use of gas turbines at xAI. Environmental fears are growing, and State Representative Justin Pearson is calling for accountability and transparency from the company behind it. ABC 24's Lauren Turman is live in studio, who visited Mount Pisgah Baptist Church, where that meeting was held. And Lauren, what progress are they making?
We saw lots of publicly accessible data about these turbine emissions really for the first time tonight, Pepper. And for the 250 Memphians who packed into tonight's meeting, their message was very clear. They're fed up, frustrated, and demanding answers about the proposed expansion of xAI's operations.
Our lives and the future lives of our children and our county are at stake.
Representative Justin J. Pearson has been a leader in the fight against xAI. And Monday evening, he presented findings that raised red flags about emissions coming from their turbines. These include nitrogen oxide, formaldehyde, and other volatile organic compounds. Ground-level ozone was also a focus, as it's a major contributor to smog. During the meeting, concerns were also raised about long-term respiratory and even cancer-causing effects.
Some people think just because they got a title, you're supposed to trust them.
Pearson pointed to a proposed expansion that could add up to 90 turbines at xAI's Tulane Road facility in Whitehaven. The site is already under construction. He also talked about existing turbines, which are currently operating without proper permits.
Which is why I want Mayor Young and the Chamber of Commerce to put their data, put their information, make it public so that we can see what they're trying to use to say that, 35 turbines of pollution is not doing harm in our community. I want to bridge the gap and serve as a bridge to our community with the reality of what we are experiencing and what we know in our hearts to be true, what we smell.
But xAI isn't alone in drawing criticism. Pearson emphasized that Memphis has long suffered from pollution linked to other facilities, from the Valero gas refinery to TVA's Allen plant and the former sterilization services of Tennessee South Memphis facility.
Can't nobody tell us not to be fearful when we got CO2